Ni suwing ba sakanti ko Don Bosco Media Network ko namchak soa anga Alicia A sangma na simana dali Skigiparangko parakatenga katabi chungrang jingjingatan ni ko dakapa Skigiparangko tia gas Galdapa tia frang mande sakani kurma Salgro basketball championship ko Resubelparao Ongatanga Chugmukpa Khoborang Meghalaya Government Lower Primary School Contractual Teachers Association MGLP SCTA Baitaba Jarang na jingjingatan ko dakingon Principal Salo Wamang Secretary Building Mukhango Wamang ni Nukni Mandirang Baksab Yapo Chagro Pidunga Skigiparang Surkari ni Wamang ni jingjingatan ni Rang na Kuchak Janing Gamen no Wamang Secretariat Building China Absan Tum Dakirit na Kumunga Section Richasa Chibri Code of Criminal Procedure Rocha Chisku Sutsni Gatam Nigata Secretary Jolo Bilganang Pado Rangdonga Skigiparang September Sni Tariko ni Shillong Civil Junction no jingjingatan ko dakingacham Tukme donggapa mandirang ni chadrap pa ako nukin ba security rang tear gas rang ko michmarang aro bisarang dongin chimo ba tear gas rang ko Galdapa ha Yo bostong matungo sumayo michik security rang yajilma ko sasong khatna dongja State Commission for Protection of Child Rights ni Chairperson Yoman CM tear gas rang ko bisarang ni aro michikrang ni dongengon Galdapa ni gaman bisarang aro michma Skigiparang ni Gisik ko muatan ni katarang ko kena cakang ha. Magistrate saksaga nga Chief Secretary jingjingat kepas Skigiparangko bunga baju grunti ka acem mendibas Skigiparang jechak ke jingjingatan ko dakang kuanga. Yes Skigiparang sukari ni kita wamang ko kamu don pul na kaduan katarang ko angan ko cetepet wamang mujum jawa ni akan nga ha.
Against human rights, no? We are not a terrorist. We had pregnant women, teachers and small children.
How many were injured during this incident?
Till now, I didn't get any clue, no. But some teachers reported that the pregnant women who are in this area only was fall down like that.
Why did you bring children and pregnant women for your agitation?
No, actually, my children asked me, sir, father, I want to go to school. Then I am already 2 years terminated. Then how will I provide my children? That's why my children, my family come together and support me. That's only the aims of my family. We march from there to here with a peaceful mode, actually. But police, district administration, block us and that they blow tear gas. As I have already announced from that Gyeongnong Ba, here in our contractual teacher there are children, there are pregnant teacher also, but the district administration didn't hear that. They blow tear gas and everything. That is violent for the human rights.
Anti-narcotic task force rang besiba salo sakani mande ko jawai ni kurmaha waman baksa mobile phone gesa thangka hazalbri richabri kongchkung biji gini sonani kantina ge gini aro heroin gram ga tham point kolgruk chet ko manaha wamang ni khosa ko jawai police thana okay segataha aro sing sandiani ko dakang khuenga Resubelparao North Garo Hills so Salgro basketball championship hazagani khulgini ko Ongatanga final match ko besiba antha mo khalanga ha Dilma club ni sarangoni chiha aro North East mi ichigrangoni chiha ye khalsusani ko September jani khulgrus ku thari ko ni Ongatanga aro October jani dok thari ko final khalsusani ko Ongatanga ha ya interclub khalsani ge chisni club rang ba kurang ha ya dalgapa khalsani rang aja ni mandirang na nambik pa cholunga aro yan dakapa khalsusarang ni chi dingthang ski tapani aro namdapatani ko uwira namatna Yan dalna khobronga ni swing pa sakanti kon mithela